Healthcare's downtown campus is using new technology meant to enhance patient safety for newborns.
KCRG TV9's Libby Randall shares how and why it's being implemented.
And as I put my baby's footprint here, it's going to then show up over on my computer screen.
As a nurse manager in the maternal child department, Shayla Malone advocated for getting this new technology. As a mom to 5 children born in this unit, it was especially important to her.
I knew it was the highest type of digital imaging that we could get for babies' footprints, and I knew it was a huge safety and security piece that people are looking for their infants.
CertaScan scans a newborn's footprint to ensure safety, as well as advanced documentation for families.
Then we're able to give the patient a digital footprint, like a memento, that has the footprints and the baby stats, weight, time of birth, date, all that kind of fun stuff.
And University of Iowa Healthcare was the first in the state to implement this technology.
This new technology takes a digital footprint of each newborn baby that's delivered here and connects that footprint to mom's fingerprint in the electronic health record.
For moms like Malone, this advancement in technology comes as added reassurance. In Iowa City, Libby Randall, KCRG TV9 News.